Can we pure spam? Yeah, I don't really watch too much of either, but
Careful, right? Woohoo! Attack! Attack monkey! Go! Be careful, me.
I'll attack! Cancel that.
An enemy has been slain.
I mean, I'm not leaving. Can do this at least.
I wish you
Attack!
I don't know how she's level 5, the Kali.
attack monkey.
Follow me!
Attack! Your left tower is under attack. An enemy has been slain. Enemies have returned to base.
Dude.
Go!
On my way! Be careful, right!
Enemy ultimate down!
I'll attack middle lane! Attack the Gold Fury!
Attack!
Tad unlucky, that.
My condolences.
I cleared it from the back, I guess. Get my Hydros. The fuck is this? What is this? That's so random.
Be right back.
I have enough HP to kill this. I don't. Okay, I'm lagging. I'm just gonna back, fuck it. I don't know if they're invading.
This will scare even
Enemy missing.
Enemies in the
All
left
right.
jungle.
Fuck, I forgot to sell the eye thing.
Attack.
Sorry.
Your left tower is under attack.
Completed.
Attack
Enemies
the
have
gold
returned to
fury,
base.
friend.
Attack. Enemies have returned to base.
Group up.
Attack!
Probably should have came instead of doing backs. Looks kinda free anyway though.
Your team has destroyed the gold fury.
Be right back.
Ultimate is ready.
An enemy has been slain.
I'll attack right lane.
Did Capri not alter?
Your middle tower is under
The
attack.
fuck?
Enemy ultimate down.
No problem.
Enemy ultimate down.
I was thinking about the rated of this character, but I kinda just wanna get that max CDR.
On my way. Attack middle lane.
Ultimate is down.
Attack.
Enemy ultimate down.
I'll attack right lane.
Tad unlucky that. I'll attack right lane. Be careful middle. On my way.
Attack!
That's too bad.
Mount was down for like 2 seconds.
Your team has destroyed a right enemy tower.
Enemies in the left jungle.
Iron Maiden is Insania. Heaven or hell.
An enemy has been slain.
Enemies incoming left.
Your left tower is under attack. Go, monkey, go!
Enemies in middle lane.
Attack! Attack, monkey!
Bless you, thank you.
There they will.
Your right tower is under attack. An ally has been slain.
The Pyromancer has arrived.
Enemy ultimate down!
Your right tower is under attack.
What's the key to become a good Humbus jungler?
Your team has destroyed the pirate.
Be patient with the alt, I guess. Try to use the alt well. And be good at utilizing your 3.
Enemy missing.
I'll defend!
Attack.
An ally has been slain.
Oh my god. Sad.
Your left tower is under attack. An ally has been slain.
What do? You Smite token? I'm not even sure what a Smite token is.
Right into my trap.
What's up, Eric?
I'm on it.
Gank! Gank!
Be right back.
Gank!
Ultimate is down.
Your left tower is under attack. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Fury!
Your left tower is under attack. Your team has destroyed the Gold Fury.
On my way! Enemy ultimate
Your
down!
left tower is under attack.
Attack!
Cancel that.
I'll attack! Tad unlucky.
Enemy
Your
missing.
left tower is under attack.
Completed!
Ultimate
Be
is
right
ready.
back!
Your left tower has been
On
destroyed.
my way.
The Pyromancer has arrived.
Gank middle lane! Gank middle lane! Be right back! On my way!
Go, baby, go.
Your left tower is under attack.
Defend!
Your middle tower is under attack.
Yes.
Attack, monkey!
On my way! Attack!
Down.
Attack right lane!
Killing spree! An ally has been slain.
Ultimate is ready!
On my way. My condolences. Enemy ultimate down.
Your team has destroyed a middle enemy
Enemy
tower.
missing!
Probably just a bug. Oh, it's looking nice. At least you got it sorted.
Attack left lane! On my way!
I was gonna go pendulum. Fuck, not crusher. Oh well.
An ally has been slain.
That's too bad.
On my way. An enemy has been slain.
Thanks! Be right back! Attack! Attack the Gold Fury!
Bro, that FG has so much damage. What?
Chase the enemy!
Don't worry, I'm fine!
Destroyed the Gold Fury.
Nice reaction out. Thanks.
Tad unlucky, that.
Enemy missing.
Be right back! Enemies at the fire site!
Ultimate is ready!
The enemy team has destroyed the pirates. Your middle tower is under attack. An ally has been
Too
slain.
bad.
I'll attack right lane. Your right tower is under attack. You have slain an enemy.
So we're being able to hit people jumping in this game.
Your team has destroyed a left enemy tower.
On my way! Ultimate is ready! Boy, on my way!
Be careful.
Attack mode! Be right back!
Oh my god. Big damage.
Follow me!
Be careful.
Load in the bush. I'm dead.
On my way. An ally has been slain.
Oh fuck.
Hi. Attack me!
Is that a Vulcan ult?
Your right tower is under attack. Rampage. Killing spree.
Fire giant.
Your right tower.
It's really random of them to try and fight us when they're always just split pushing.
Your team destroyed the fire tower. Attack! You have slain an enemy.
Don't fail me now. I'll attack the Gold Fury.
Your team has destroyed a middle enemy tower.
On my way.
Enemies incoming!
No pendulum? I'm gonna get pendulum last autumn.
Down.
I was gonna get it where I have my crusher, but I accidentally bought crusher instead.
Destroyed the Gold Fury.
Well, I mean, not really accidentally, I just bought the wrong item. Like, I forgot I didn't buy pendulum. I like no gold compared to my team. Second, yeah, it's a really fun item, I agree.
King, front ultimate is ready.
With rampage, I shall return again.
I'll attack.
Enemy missing. Double kill.
You rock harder than a thwomp.
On my way. Follow me. Follow me.
Can you just ignore this guy in the sit tower?
Attack the target.
Enemy Phoenix.
Bro, yeah, I'll lose this trade. Bro, what the fuck? That's actually insane. I can't fight him. 2 levels up and with an FG.
Boy. Help.
Majestic.
Hail, friend.
Go, monkey, go!
Good old Smite balance. But he's 3k down on me as well, what the fuck?
Okay.
Where is his build? The fuck, I couldn't fight that.
Okay. I am the cloaking rider. Attack!
The pyromancer has arrived.
Like 4 healing items? Yeah.
Attack, monkey! Behind us! Curses!
We're very split, I'm not sure why.
An enemy has been slain.
Follow me! Healing! On my way! Attack, monkey! Attack!
An ally has been slain.
Attack!
Come on, dude. Chuck, you can kill him. He only play like a fear. Don't attack all time. Is playing in the darkness. What if I'm playing in the darkness? What happens then? No way, man. Bro.
Shut down. Storm.
Nah, no way he died for that. Oh my god. Okay. We see if you're out there. I was gonna try to. They're all coming around the corner.
Get it? I'm as sturdy as an oak.
Rock! On my way!
I'm on it.
Attack, monkey! Enemy ultimate
Nothing else feels like.
curses! Attack!
Wait, what?
An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Be right back. Freeze.
What?
Woohoo! Attack!
I thought I was gonna blink behind him, dude. My blink's back off cooldown again. What? What Raka says 0 session games? You already played 3? Yeah, I did. I guess it's bugged. Doesn't tech go bad. Why? You didn't blink? What? No, I did blink.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Gank middle lane.
Okay.
Unlucky.
Has been slain.
Cancel that.
On my way.
Slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain.
Attack! I am still here.
An enemy has been slain.
Attack the fire giant.
Enemy ultimate incoming.
Holy fuck, I'm healing so much.
Último cerdo.
Enemy ultimate incoming.
Destroyed the fire giant.
Okay. Jade meets Scepter.
Your right Phoenix is under attack. An enemy has been slain.
I'll attack the gold fury.
Your right Phoenix is under attack.
Hunt item that heals you. Which hunt item? That one? I jumped in to grab the dagger and run away. It was a move.
Your team has destroyed the gold fury. Your team has destroyed a right enemy tower.
Attack!
Ultimate is ready.
Okay.
Slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. Right enemy Phoenix. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
That was my last game, chat. I have to go. I need to grab food, so thank you for watching. Before I end the stream, just wanna say if you enjoyed the stream and you wanna see a giveaway, I'm doing a giveaway at 95 subs. So if you have Twitch Prime lying around and you don't know who to spend it on, I do appreciate you using it here.